Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Succulents Box's weekly plant care. Today, our focus is on one of the most popular trailing succulents, String of Hearts, or Sauropegia woodii. String of Hearts does have its challenges, and one of them is leaf curling and wrinkling. So, let's take a look at the underlying reasons for this issue and learn how to keep your heart-shaped succulent thriving. Alright, let's talk about the classic case of underwatering. Though resilient and can withstand droughts, this succulent can still respond to a lack of water by developing leaf curling. If you spot those leaves looking a bit wrinkled or shriveled, your plant might just be asking for a refreshing drink. Solution: amp up your watering game, but don't drown the poor thing. When watering, ensure that you thoroughly moisten the soil, allowing water to penetrate the root zone. Water until it drains out of the pot's drainage holes, then remove any excess water from the saucer to prevent waterlogging. Now, here's a twist. Too much water can also lead to those leaves doing the curl. Overwatering saturates the soil, suffocating the roots and causing stress-induced leaf acrobatics. Solution: give your plant some breathing room. Find a breezy spot, let the soil dry out a bit, and check for signs of root drama. Repot with a soil mix that drains well, and remember, drainage holes are a must-have in your succulents pot. The third possible reason why your string of hearts develop curling leaves is improper lighting. If it's not getting enough light, it might start having leaf curling. Think pale, stretched out foliage, not the plump, compact shape we're going for. Solution: move your string of hearts to a well-lit spot, preferably near a friendly window. No natural light? Consider a grow lamp. The next reason is high temperature and harsh direct sunlight. Our succulent friend likes it cozy, but not scorching hot. Excessive heat and harsh sunlight can stress it out, resulting in, you guessed it, leaf curling. Solution: give your string of hearts a shade break. Use curtains or a little shade cloth to dial down the sunlight drama. Enhance air movement around the plant by using a fan or keeping windows open to improve ventilation. This can help dissipate heat and prevent excessive heat buildup. Aim to maintain a stable temperature within the ideal range between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The next cause for curling leaves can be humidity. When the air gets too dry, it's like a moisture heist, and our string of hearts responds with leaf curling. These plants thrive in moderate to high humidity environments, 40 to 50% humidity level, and when the air becomes too dry, they can experience moisture loss, leading to leaf curling. Solution: you can create a more humid environment around the plant by misting the leaves with water using a spray bottle. A tray of water and pebbles nearby can create a lush microclimate. Alternatively, cluster your string of hearts with other houseplants to create a microclimate with slightly higher humidity. Lack of essential nutrients can lead to leaf curling and other signs of nutrient deficiency. Poor soil quality or improper soil composition can hinder nutrient absorption and water drainage, leading to leaf curling. Heavy or compacted soil can also impede root growth and cause stress to the plant. Solution: check the soil, look for signs of a cramped root situation, and consider a repotting party with fresh, succulent-friendly soil. Fertilize your string of hearts once a month during the growing season with a diluted liquid fertilizer made for houseplants and succulents. Follow the instructions and do not over-fertilize. Transplanting can be the reason your string of hearts is not happy and starts to curl up. If your string of hearts just got a new pot or spot, it might show its discomfort with some leaf curling. Solution: be gentle with the repotting process. Fresh soil, a comfy home, and a little downtime is what your plant needs. Avoid direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Give your string of hearts a bright, airy spot with a stable temperature so it can recover from the transplant shock. Give it time, let it settle, and soon it'll be back to its charming self. Last thing we will look at today: pests and diseases. These invaders feed on the plant's sap, causing water loss from the leaves, leading to wilting and moisture conservation. It's crucial to promptly address these issues to maintain a healthy and thriving string of hearts. Treat your plant to some insecticidal soap or horticultural oil. Repeat the treatment as necessary according to the product instructions. Subscribe to our channel for more plant care tips. If you've got questions or want to share your succulent journey, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.